Hey guys, today's review is something from HerGivenHair. I have a few pieces from them, so I was excited. Inside is this half wig. This is a 16-inch. The curl type is a 3B3C. And as you can see, there is no band. It's fully covered, so it should be easy to disguise. So this is the hair after I co-washed it and styled it. I used this base gel by The Do, and it made the curls much more defined. This will be perfect for those days when I can't get my natural curls to cooperate. I could just throw this on. This is a half wig, so for the top part of my hair, I just braided it down to the best of my ability. I'm no hairstylist. And I braided the back into some sort of pattern just so I can have something secure to put the combs into, and that way my hair wasn't getting in the way of the wig. Speaking of combs, this wig has 4, 1 at the top, 2 on the sides, and then 1 towards the bottom. It has a strap in the middle, and it also has a drawstring at the very bottom. So I'm just gonna stick the combs into that braided pattern in the back of my head, and they stayed in pretty securely. And then I pull the drawstring before putting the bottom comb in, that way I can tuck the string in so the string isn't just hanging out. So that's it, the wig is on. What do you guys think? For me, I'm kind of unsure about the placement. I don't know, I feel like, is it too far back? Do I need to move it up some? And then it's not really blending that well with the front of my hair. As you see, like the loose ends of my hair, the curl pattern is much looser than the curl pattern of the wig. So maybe next time I'll get a looser curl pattern, or maybe I just won't add product because that product really defined the curls. I don't know, but I don't think it looks too bad. It'll definitely work for today. As far as the hair itself, I think it's good quality. I love the curl. I wish the wig maybe was a slight bit bigger. I have a big head. Or maybe I just need to move it up more. I'm not really sure, but I'll come back to you guys with the update. Talk to you later. Bye.